Hello.
Hello. Ben.
We're doing.
Ben. Ben, Daddy, you're banana on holiday.
Oh wait, what? Oh yeah, it's facing me. Okay, so we made.
Guys.
Huh?
Hello, guys.
Yeah. So we're doing a.
Yep.
We made a den, and it looks really good. So here it is. I'll stand back a bit so you can see all of it. There it is. Excuse me, Evie. There it is. There's Madison. And there's Frank. And there's my dad. So, we'll do a tour of it.
There's only one tour in there.
So here we have the toilet. Nobody's used it yet, luckily. And then you just dig it back up and then you dig a new hole for the toilet. So, yeah. And then this is the sofa. Looks pretty good. And then...
Or you can just go to the toilet over here, anywhere they...
Yeah, you can go to the toilet. I would rather go to the toilet on the outside. Actually, let's build a toilet on the out. Actually, maybe that can be the toilet.
Yeah,
No, not Frank, not this.
No,
Or...
how about we dig somewhere here, and then that can be the toilet.
Go on then. I don't know why I'm wearing bright white shoes
There we go.
in the woods. Yeah, that's not really a hole, Evie. Alright, let's do stick.
So we can do...
Alright, we're gonna make the toilet. Oh, Evie hit me in the face.
Sure.
Alright, I guess there's the toilet. If you do a bigger doo-doo than the toilet, then yeah, you do. Just do one on the floor over there. Just do one out in the wilderness.
No
So, yeah. Okay. Is it cool? Okay. Oh yeah. Here it is. Zoom in a bit. There we go. There it is. There's so much flies in the way. Yeah. So, yeah. And we're going to video us walking in the woods.
Morning, Madison.
So, yeah. Oh my god, look at this tree. How smooth it is. You won't be getting splinters in this. It's like concrete. Okay. Oh, look, there's another one. There it is.
Another one.
Another one. Can't zoom in that far, but
Right
yeah. Oh, look, they copied us. Ours is way better though, definitely.
there.
Do you think ours is better? Yeah.
You gotta have a look at that one.
Yeah. Come on, we're gonna go find. See at this den. Well, they haven't put like vines on it like we did, so yeah, ours is clearly better. So, but yeah.
Look at that tiny door.
Oh my god, look at the door. I think this is the doorway, but yeah, there's not much space, is there?
Daddy, look at the
Missing
tiny
us.
door.
Let's wait for dogs to get in. We should do that.
Looks like it's been there for a while, that one.
Yeah. Hope ours is there for a while.
Let me duck. I'm there. I'm gonna just...
What are you doing, Madison? Oh look! There's a bunch of like ferny brackeny things over here. Could have done that for the carpet. Yeah, we have like a welcome mat in ours. Well, it's not actually a welcome mat. It's made of like these bracken ferny things. Yeah. Because I went like this. It's very satisfying. Oh. Okay. Yeah, let's go and look over here. I think Frank is sniffing everywhere. Oh my god, he looks like a rabbit. Go check out Madison's channel, by the way. It's just called Madison. But Yeah. Oh my god, there's so much flies. Oh my god, don't tell me this is a den. Nah, look. Is this a den? Oh. You can get inside of it. Oh my. Oh my god. There's probably foxes living in that tree.
Right, should we go back?
Yeah.
No, I want to go back home.
This way, Frank. We've got to go back this way though, yeah?
Yeah, we've got to go back. So we can see our den one more time.
Well then, just walking, let's speed up.
Yeah. 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 It's fine. Oh yeah, we could speed it up, couldn't we? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, got Frank. It's not like fly things, like gnat things. I haven't got bitten, I got stung by a stinging missile, but it really hurts. Really itchy. Right, Frank. Where? 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 Oh yeah. I can't see them. That's right, yeah. Come on, man. Where is it? Oh, back in. Hopefully you survived a long time. Right, back in. No, sorry, oh, back inside. Right, Frank. Such a great one, is it? Is it, Frank? Such a great one, is it? Look, stop. Come, Frank. Frank. Oh, yeah, so I can come to it. Right, Frank. That's just missed. There. Oh, God. This is hot. Oh, my God. There's so many flies over here. It's disgusting. Oops, that doesn't sound good. Well, no, Frank, not much further. That's very fine. It's got stung by a stinging missile. That's going to hurt right now, but it will. Oh. It's not very good. Nice, Madison. Oh, this is a very pushy bit. Oh my god, look. That's all dinosaur signs right now. Right, we're at more less pushy part now. Then, we've got the darts. So I'm going to speed this up as well. So, yeah, we're going to speed this up as well. Alright, we're at the car park now. So, yeah. Bye, guys.